it felt like last week.
What's good, you guys? My name is Butler. Back with a reaction video for today, bro. Another reaction video to a meme. We're gonna be reacting to Annoyed Bird Compilation, bro. 2018. I don't know what this really is about, like the annoyed bird that we've been seeing on PewDiePie's channel. I don't know why this meme is so popular, but let's get right into this video. Let's get it. I like the intro. Warning: this video contains flags, images. Okay, so yeah, guys, get the heck off this video if you're gonna get offended. I don't want that nonsense here. Surprise, sir! Hey! What? I don't understand this language. I'll continue to run toward my dream, standing up to difficulties and saving people with a smile, in order to become the greatest hero. Boom. You bastard! I'm the man who became the #1 hero! You're a failure! You'll never surpass them because you're a loser! God, you know, I really do believe I could become the next All Might. Bastard, shut your mouth! I'll kill you! Don't look down on me! You're damn... All these voices... What the heck is this, man? Hey,
1, 2, a hotmail. Kirby is a paying guy. 1, 2, a hotmail because Kirby is very cute.
What?
Anarchists and bandits will not stop duty on its triumphant march to save the... Hey, you cool dudes and cold-blooded comrades. If you're looking to be appreciated and treated like family, that's freedom all the way. There's no chores, no brainwashing, and no morning wake-up drills. If you're a real stalker who loves the free life and a good drink in the company of like-minded fellas, join right in.
What? Hey, my pants, hey. Bro, shout out to X, bro.
Niggas envy us.
They got the sticky out, hey. Overwatch? Yo, what's with the, where's the black character? Team Fortress. This is so weird, like I don't really get some of them. It's weird. Oh my gosh, my ears. Bro, these are just basically like, what the frick, like Chinese, Korean music. Like, I don't understand these at all. I don't understand. White people. Oh my gosh.
Words that kill. Would you speak to me?
I don't understand. What the heck are they saying, man? Oh, this is like an anime. is that girl though? What the heck? She's not wearing any. What the heck? This is like ponies. Alright, bro. What the heck? Oh my gosh, Fallout. Hey, hey. Okay, I'm done. I am done. I don't understand any of this. Like, a lot of this. I don't understand. Please someone comment down below something that will make me understand. But comment down below your opinion. Smash that like button if you guys are new. If you guys want me to react to more of these meme compilations in the future, smash that like button. Comment down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. And yo, bro, I'm done. Peace.